Hi guys, Jeremy here, and today I'm going to show you how to capture names and contact details using GoHighLevel's Conversation AI. We'll create a chatbot in Conversation AI, and whenever it engages with customers, it will ask for their names, contact details, and more. But before we get started, let me give you a special offer. You see, normally if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, Go High Level Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Go High Level offers many features, and it's really easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Go High Level in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you're going to receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, those are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. So first things first, log into your Go High Level account. If you don't have a sub account set up yet, don't worry. You can find a detailed tutorial on our channel explaining how to create one. Now, once you're in your sub account, head to the settings and locate the Conversations AI tab. So what is Conversation AI? Well, think of it as a personal assistant for building chatbots. It's a highly efficient tool that lets you create and manage bots for various tasks. In this case, our focus is to build a chatbot that gathers crucial customer details like names, email addresses, and phone numbers. Now to get started, click on the Create Bot button at the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear with options like General Q&A, Appointment Booking, and Start from Scratch. Select the Appointment Booking since it's perfect for collecting essential details, and then click Continue. After clicking Continue, you'll arrive at the Bot Settings page. Now, this is where you decide how the bot will act and what kind of vibe it gives off. Since this bot is all about capturing customer details, keep it friendly but still professional. Give it an easy to remember name like Customer Info Bot so it's clear what it does. Under the Set Bot Status, choose Autopilot so the bot can automatically reply to customers using the training it's been given. Then decide where you want the bot to work. You can pick options like a chat widget, SMS, or live chat. Basically, wherever your customers usually reach out. Next, let's adjust the autopilot mode settings. For example, you can set the wait time before responding to around 1 or 2 seconds to make the bot's replies feel quick and natural. Also, limit the maximum messages to something manageable like 5 to 10 so conversations just don't drag on. If you are unsure about these settings, don't worry. You can always adjust them later based on how the bot performs. Once you've set everything up, hit save to lock it in. Now that your bot is set up, it's time to train it. Navigate to the Bot Training tab, and here you need to click on the Add Q&A option next to Customize Bot Response. Now, this is to teach your bot how to handle specific scenarios. Once you click it, you'll see fields to add a question and its answer. Double-click the question field and type in what you want your bot to ask the customer. For example, you might write something like, "What's your name?" or "Can I have your email address?" Then in the answer field, add how you want your bot process the information. Now, when you're done, click the Save button to lock it in. Now, you can repeat this process to add as many questions and answers as you need to train your bot to handle different situations. The more you customize, the smarter and more helpful your bot will be. Next, head over to the Bot Goals tab. Now, this is where you define the bot's purpose and objectives. For this tutorial, the primary goal is to collect names and contact details. Write a clear mission statement for your bot, such as, "You are a chatbot designed to gather customer names, email addresses, and phone numbers to facilitate better communication." Now, make sure that your bot's tone is friendly and professional. It should match how your customers talk. So if someone types casually, the bot can reply in the same casual way, but still stay respectful. Think of it like chatting with a polite assistant who's always on point. Once you've set everything up the way that you want, don't forget to hit the save button so your changes are locked in. With the bot fully configured, it's time to test it. Within the bot goals section, there is a feature called Test Your Bot. Now, this allows you to see how the bot interacts with customers in real time. Click on the testing panel and start typing something simple like, "Hello." Watch how the bot responds. It should greet you and then ask for for your name and email address, just like you trained it. If it doesn't behave as expected, you can go back and adjust its responses until everything works perfectly. Now, this testing feature is super useful because it lets you fine-tune your bot's behavior before going live. Play around with different inputs to see how the bot handles various customer scenarios. Now, once you're happy with how it performs, your chatbot is ready to start capturing details and providing a great experience for your customers. And that's it. You now have a chatbot that can easily collect customer details such as names, emails, and phone numbers. Now, before you go, let me remind you of the special offer that I mentioned earlier. If you use my link in the description below, you're going to get a 30-day free trial of GoHighLevel instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, as a thank you, you're going to receive my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, which is designed to help you master the platform and start making money within those first 30 days. And on top of that, you're going to get access to my exclusive high-quality Notion templates that are worth over $900, but you're going to get all of that for free. Just click the link in the description to claim this offer and get started right away. So thanks for supporting the channel, and I will see you in the next video.